Mark, what are you doing?
Hey.
You're in the moving truck?
It's white. It's white.
It's white?
No.
And what are we going to do? We're going to race Daddy and Grandpa to Utah?
Yeah.
Cool. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Cool. This is cool. Are you excited? Okay. You're going to drive it fast? Cool.
I'll go quick.